I have been remiss in not giving you my impressions of the August Allure beauty box. I do get this box as part of a year-long subscription. I might renew it when birthday time comes. I'm not sure because it's a little expensive on a yearly basis, but anyway, this honestly for a $15 box is pretty freaking amazing. So the August box had this picture. There are a couple of full-size things in here, or I think there's one. I don't know, I'll have to figure this out. I think there might be 2 full-size things. And so here are the other things. My daughter already gave me her Nexus shampoo. It's not cruelty-free, but also she's got colored hair, so she can't use it. And as you can tell, I have very little color on my hair. I've been enjoying being able to use pretty much anything, which is really great. So there are 2 full-size items, but I'm going to talk first about the travel size. I'm already using the shampoo and conditioner that she gave me that came in her box. So I will use these when that's done. Right, so the label says protein fusion with keratin protein and black rice. Damage and healing. So that's what these bottles say. So it's supposed to be really repairing. This is a 3 fluid ounce bottle of each, which is great for travel, but I did spend the majority of 2017 traveling because Mom was sick and she did pass away just before Thanksgiving. So I'm not going to be traveling again for a while, unless one of my brothers gets sick, in which case I would go there immediately. There are a couple other things in here. She also gave me this face cream. Crap, I need my glasses again. I can't read it. I can't read it for beans. And it's Caudalie Venosource Cream Sorbet Hydrate whatever. It's moisturizing sorbet. So she won't use it because it's not cruelty free, and plus her skin is currently in a wacko zone where no matter what she uses, it seems to be making her skin like crazy little tiny breakout stuff. So she gave me hers. This is ½ ounce, so I'll have a full ounce if I use hers too. Boy, my nose looks red. I did not notice my nose looking so red. There's also, and this is the end of the sample size stuff, a Laneige lip sleeping mask. Lip. Huh. I like that it's a lip thing. I don't know if Laneige is cruelty free or not. I'm kind of thinking they might not be. I wish you could see this better. The camera's telling me it's focusing on it, but I don't really believe it. So anyway, in this little pink box is a little tiny jar, but if it's for your lips, it's okay for it. Whoa, it's got a hollow bottom, see that? It's a little tiny jar of lip sleeping mask. Yeah, for all, it says for all skin types. It's lip stuff. Lip sleeping mask. That's what the frickin' label says. Lip. Like lip. Am I too close? Am I too far? Are you focusing? So that is the last sample size thing. And I will actually put that right in my end table and start using that. And that leaves the 2 full-size things. First, an Ico liquid eyeliner. If you've ever watched my empties, you know I love these liquid eyeliners from Ico. Ico is a cruelty-free brand. And I've had the skinny liner before. This is like one of my favorite things on the face of the planet Earth. It's a full size, which is, I've gotten lots and lots of travel size ones in other boxes, but this is a full size, and these suckers, they last forever. So this is an awesome thing to get. I'm afraid to put it in my collection right now. I'm trying to keep stuff aside because I'm going to be doing a declutter, and that is just freaking awesome. I don't want it to get lost in my collection of crap. Next thing also is cruelty free. It's from a company called Ipsy, and this is full size. And this is a light stick. It's a highlighter stick. It's one of my favorite types of products. I have a terrible weakness for highlighters and blushes and bronzers. Oh God. And here is the highlight stick. There's no scent, which is great because you don't want your stuff to smell. I'm going to stroke it on my hand. By the way, my eczema is gone. We figured out that it's probably blue dye because every time I use Dawn dishwashing liquid, my skin breaks out. But it could be a coincidence. So anyway, my skin is completely clear, and that is just so nice. This is like such a light formula. Like, I can see it. Someone else could see it if they saw me in person, but it's not, I know it's not really showing up on camera very well. It's like a goldish, let me put it on real heavy and see if you can see it. Obviously I'm keeping this. Anything I ever swatch or test, I just keep, so yeah. And this Ipsy is cruelty free, which makes me very happy, and comes in a little black tube like this. And I'm going to put it back in the box until I do my declutter, and I can put it safely somewhere on my in my vanity. Gosh, I can't get over how beautiful that color is. What I like about it, it's not like in your eye you have a highlighter on, bang, which I'm not a fan of. You know, I know some people like to really lay on the highlighter. Most people, though, use it in moderation, and I love highlighter, and I have lots of highlighter, and I use all of my highlighters, but I have too many highlighters. That cream is like such a nice, delicate highlight that, yeah, I'm really excited to have that. So this box was, for me, even though there are a couple of items in here that are not cruelty-free, to my thinking, this box is a real winner because of the two full-size items that came in the box. Both are cruelty-free, Ico and Ipsy, and these are just like great products. And Allure, I guess about 6 months ago, started putting full-size stuff in their boxes, and I applaud them for that because they're $21 boxes that are all full-size. So they're in a pretty tough market, like, and to be 15 instead of 10, like Ipsy, yeah, they kind of have to step it up a little bit, and they have. So that's what's going to make it hard for me to walk away from Allure. So let's see what happens when my birthday comes. It's an awful lot of money for one thing now. Well, let's see what happens. Thank you, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.